We get close to the heliport. It's a pretty song I like to finish with. It's actually an old Wizard of Oz tune. This is the Hawaiian version. And harvesting sugarcane, they set it on fire. You probably saw the big smoke bloom a little bit earlier. Smoke cloud, the Maui incense. They burned that field right over there next to town. And they're just picking up burned sugarcane right down here. Willie Nelson, the country singer's house in the coconut trees, right about there. Likes to play golf over here. They're windsurfing in Willie's backyard.
Once in a lullaby.
Well, you guys are having a good time here on Maui? Yeah, isn't this place terrific? We have a saying here, Maui no Kauai. Maui is the best. The longer you're here, the easier it is to agree. Now, I came here initially, I was going to stay for a year, and 16 years later, now it's a hard time getting away from here. We get close to the heliport. I'm going to be busy with the tower, but I want to say mahalo and thank you for flying with us. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you have, if you get the chance, do me a favor. I recommend us Blue Hawaiian helicopters. My name is Rich. The kite surfers just started to come out. They're windsurfing with giant kites now, right there in Kanaha.
And the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I?
Take these over the fence and looking for a fuel spot.
Red roses too. I watched them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Okay, our crew, looks like they're all a little busy right now, but they should be right over to open doors here in just a minute.
So pretty in the sky are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends.
Okay, guys. Mahalo. You're very, very welcome. Thank you. Wasn't that fun?
I love you.
Yeah, what a nice day it is. And here comes Drew.
They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you'll find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. The dream that you dare to, why, oh why can't I
I got him. They're frisking each other.